No, what are we doing today? We're out here driving the fuck around. Why are we out here driving the fuck around? Because we're supposed to be bear hunting, but the bears won't fucking move nowhere! Get out of the woods! Damn it! And there ain't nobody, like, there's a truck there. Nope, he's road hunting. Lazy fucker. Wait a minute. Anyhow. No, because I was in the woods this morning. I did a 4-mile hike and I didn't see a sign of shit. There's not even any feed down up there. Thousands of acres to hunt. There's only like 3 trucks. Fuck me running. Can't get them going like that. Anywho, how's your Saturday?